let's go through some data viz stuff. So here's regular from Vectorworks library. Here's my custom fixtures that I have into the 3D part. Here's what they look like. I modified the lenses on mine from Fleek. It's his idea. Either way, so data viz, it's over here. Let's do a new data viz. We're just gonna call this LX, or really color by LX. All objects, we're going to change that to parameter. We're going to do lighting device and then ID, which is going to be fixture ID. Fixture ID is not a fixture ID like you would call it in a console. It's the fixture name, but Vectorworks calls it fixture ID. It's going to populate here. You could just press auto color, and it's as simple as that. And now I know that I need to fix this, but I will do that later. But for now, we can go to shaded options, change the color, that thing all the way up. You can also add room light, but this is the fastest way. And it pretty much takes everything that you have and it does it by that color. You can get funky with it and define criteria and do by different layers and do by different classes. Now, I'm going to delete that for now. Okay. Great. One thing that Baskin actually showed me just today is you could refresh values. So for example, if I add in another fixture, let's add in, this rocks fixture looks amazing. Okay, let's add that in. Now, if we go to color by LX, it's not going to populate. You need to refresh values. It's going to populate here, auto color again. Okay, and there we go. Let's do some fun stuff now. So here, truss. Let's do, yeah, my wonderful truss. Let's put a 12-footer in here. Let's put a 10-footer and a 8-footer. Great. Let's turn that viz off, which you could have multiple viz at the same time, but either way. Color by truss, objects using parameter, truss, and length, auto color, easy. Could turn them both on at the same time. And now let's make a new sheet real quick. And I will make a viewport, create viewport. Sorry, it's under view, create viewport over here. Okay, I don't care about anything else. And it gives you a key in your annotations of what's what. And you can go in here and change some stuff, but it's pretty good. You can get pretty funky with these data viz. You can do it also for stage decks. I've done it for audio, for speaker hangs, for pipe lengths,